Good morning, children. Here you can see one animal which is eagerly waiting to do maths. So, when this animal is able to do maths very interestingly, very enthusiasmally, now I think we can easily do maths. Now we are going to enter into the next exercise, that is 4.5. So, we will see the method which is used here for doing multiplication. So, multiplication by a 3-digit number. Now, children, multiply 432 by 234. Now, our solution is, so in our solution method 1. Children, here we have two methods, that is method 1 and method 2. We will see the first method first. So, we consider we have taken the second number, that is multiplier, and we have expanded the number. So 200 plus 30 plus 4. Now in the next step, first number into, that is multiplicand, into the expanded form of multiplier, and the next step is 432 into 200 plus again 432 into 30 plus 432 into 4. This is the step. Next, multiplying. Multiplying is easy. Now 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are is 8, and this 2 zeros we will write directly in the answer. Now again 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 plus 4 and writing the 0 in answer. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now after getting all the answers of multiplication, we have to add all the 3 digits. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 0 is again 8. Now hundreds place, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Now thousands place, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 and 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 10 is the answer. So finally 432 into 234 is equal to answer, that is 1,01,088. Now the second method, children, it is also very easy. Now the first number. So what is the question? 432 into 234 is the sum. Now first number into the number which is there in ones place. Then again step 2 is, this is ones place number and this is tens place number and this is hundreds place number. Ones, tens, hundreds. So we are multiplying separately. 432 into 4, 432 into 3, second step. Third step is 432 into 2. Now we need to multiply all the three numbers. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now with 3 also, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. After multiplying separately, what we need to do is, then we will write like normal multiplication. Now 432 into 234. So first we want to write the number which is of 4. So what is of 4? 1728. We will write it in the first line. Then in the second line we can keep 0 or x simply. Then we want the answer of multiplication of 3. What is with 3? 1296. So after keeping x, write the numbers. So 1296. Then we want the answer of 2. What is with 2? 864. Now for the third step, we need to write 2 zeros or 2x. Anything we can keep. And we need to write 864. Now, as we know that multiplication is repeated addition, so here when we get all the values, we need to add. 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 carry. Whenever carries are there, just circle, children, because to know that it is a carry. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Now we can able to see that both the values are same. Whatever method we do, answers will be same. Now children, this is the exercise, Brain Booster 4.5. I'm going to show you the first sum with 2 digits. Here is 3 digit and the multiplier is 2 digit. So again same, take 2 multiplier and expand this. So we will get 10 plus 2 is 12. Now we will multiply the first number, 432 into 10 plus 2. So first number 432 into 10 plus 432 into 2. Now what happens? We will multiply. So 432 into 10 is adding 1 0. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Put this 0 down in the answer. Now again here also multiply and write the answer. Finally we will add both the numbers and we will get the answer. Now the second method, as we all have seen, so take separately 432 into 1 and also second step is 432 into 2. This only we have done. So the answers are 432 and 864. We can compare here also. 432, 432, 864, 864. Now our answer also will be same. Now we want the answer of 2 multiplied by 432. Now this is the answer. We will write it in the first line. For the second line, with 1 we want the answer, 432. So before writing, we will keep plus or into or 0. Okay, then start writing the next number. Just below 6 should be 2. Then 3, then 4. Okay, now we will add 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we are getting the same result. Children, now we are going to see with 0. 305, this is the multiplier we have taken, expanded, then multiplied. Now in tens place we have 0. Just we can ignore, means without writing 0 we can write. We can write like this also, 300 plus 5, or we can write 0 also. So when we are multiplying any number like 330 into 0, is again 0. Any number into 0 is 0 only. So we will just ignore also in this first method. Now, so the first number as same. Now we will add and we will get this answer. Now see this method 2. We will multiply separately and start writing one by one in a line. Now with 5, this is the answer. Now with 0, again one first place will be x and write all zeros. Okay. Now for the third line, keep 2x and write the remaining number, and this is the answer. Now you can compare both will be of same answer. Thank you children. Have a good day.